What's up YouTube? Sean Manila, day 96 on the Road to Code, 100 Days of Code Challenge. And today's topic is the mean full stack review, and we did an example, just testing it out in the course here. So as usual, business as usual, just working, listening to Node.js course from the beginning, listening of what a full stack developer, first of all, a full stack developer is a developer who knows all the pieces of a software stack. They can build software by themselves if need be, and that's the goal for just in general, to be able to truly be a builder, to build it something from nothing. And in the course we looked at an example, a simple app, to see what is going on the server and what is happening on the client. And that's like the main thing. The main things that you have to keep in mind in your head is what's going on where. And so the first example that we did was we took an array in the public front-end JavaScript and placed it in the Node.js app. This was a copy, so we just took a copy of that array and put it in the Node.js. And we put it into, well, it was in the JavaScript front-end folder and on Node. So now the array is on the client and server because we just copied it, and it's still in the front end of JavaScript and in the Node. So now it's on the client and server. And EGS, and in general for view engines and template engines, I can pass an object with data that can be used by Express in order to render HTML. And by copying these arrays, it makes it an object, and it just makes it a lot easier to render it to HTML. And that's what is important is rendering it to HTML so that it can do HTTP, respond requests, etc. And then I changed the people array in the server to server people, and that is the name and value is the people array. So when Node runs this page and goes to render index.ejs, the object will be available. So yeah, we changed the array, the people array that we both had a copy of, in the server to server people, and instead of just being people, now it's server people. So now there's a difference between the client and the server. And yeah, the values of the object is the people array, the name and value. Then in the index.ejs, I wrote another script tag to take data from the server and make it available to the client. This is possible by combining JavaScript on the client with JavaScript being run on the server. So the script tag will implement EJS by making a var client people. Okay, so we made a new variable called client people for the client the client side, with EJS code greater than percentage sign dash percentage sign less than. Then the argument I wanted was to output string, so inside the argument I put JSON.stringify, and this is a built-in JavaScript, and basically means to take an object and output it as a JSON. Inside the stringify argument will be server people, and then at this point I have a script tag client-side JavaScript, but injecting a piece of server-side template code which runs server-side JavaScript that takes an array and outputs it as JSON. The client-side code will end up as new code generated by AJS when it comes out of HTML. And yeah, that is pretty much how, that summary right there is pretty much how you're working an example of using the client side and the server side, and how it just all circles back. And yeah, that was pretty much the review for today. I mean, just practicing around using the full stack, a little simple app, nothing crazy, but nonetheless good abstractions, just good lesson overall. But that has been it for today. As always, just like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for everybody that is keeping up with this vlog. Have a good goddamn day. Peace out.